In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out what's new on Netflix. So the first way of what typically people do when they want to find what's new on Netflix is they open up the app and just start exploring the app to see what's new. But that can be very tedious and time consuming. So there's a much better way of how you can do that. And if I just open up my email, I have this link right here, and it's whatsonnetflix.com/what is new. And I'll leave this linked up in the description of the video so you can just tap on it. And it's just simply a website. You don't have to download anything, and this is going to tell you exactly what's new on Netflix for the current week, for the current month. So you can see here it says what's new on Netflix. You can see different tabs at the top. You can tap on coming soon. You can even figure out what is leaving soon, so that's a good thing. So if I tap on what's new on Netflix, you can see here for March 2nd, you get all these different shows that have been added onto Netflix. You can see the shows, you can see the movies. So if I just say what's new movies, you can come here and you can scroll through here, and this is going to tell you all the different movies and when they were released onto Netflix. So this is a nice website to be able to keep track of everything when it's new on Netflix. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.